fashion hacks not talked about enough for every elegant looking good lady. Hi, welcome back to my channel. These fashion hacks have saved me every single time I was getting ready and I felt, oh my God, the outfit doesn't look like I imagined it. And I think every girl should follow these hacks in order to be always ready and looking her best. So, first things first, I have a couple of things that I ordered and I always keep them in a pouch in my closet. And whenever I'm getting ready, I tell you, I reach out for them a lot to even have my most basic items looking their best. First item, which is a little bit unconventional, I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, is labeling guns. You know, when you're purchasing something new, you always have it coming with a label, with a plastic gun. They look like this. I buy it from Amazon. It was like 20 euros or something. I always have it with the plastic keys inside this pouch. And whenever I wear something that is a little bit, I find that the cut is a little bit low and I want to cover it a little bit so that it looks more modest or conservative, or I have a skirt that came a little bit too high with an opening, or the panels don't stay together, all I do is I pinch it with this gun and it attaches together with this transparent plastic. It's seamless. You cannot see it. It tucks it through. It looks perfection, and it's just this little thing that always works. I don't know. So it's something that is one of my favorite hacks, and I didn't hear a lot of people talk about it, but having one of those clothing labeling guns, always helpful. Closing your shirts, closing openings from pants, etc. Must have. Another thing that I also like, sometimes we have pants for so long or something from the old season, and when we are getting it out, dressing it, okay, good news, you lost a little bit of weight, it's looser from the waist side, or you have a beautiful skirt or pants that you always like to wear low waist, and then you try to pull it to wear it high waist and the waist is loose. I love those pins that are called tighter clips, and they come in many forms. Also from Amazon, you get a pack of, I don't know, 8 or something for 10 euros. This is perfect. Unfortunately, this shows a little bit. You could also do it to make this a rolled side of your shirt and stuff like that. It's not permanent and it looks like a brooch, but it tucks your pants a little bit smaller. You could do it from the back so that it looks like it's something. And if you don't like how it looks, you can do this actually internally from the pants from inside. And this is always a savior in my pouch. Another item in my pouch, I talked about that before, is the iron tape. This is something to use if you don't have time to stitch something by hand. For example, you bought pants, you don't have time to go to the tailor or to tailor them yourself shorter. You just put this panel and you iron it, and then done, it's shorter. It's really one of my also favorite hacks, and the cheapest place I get those tapes from is IKEA, because we go to IKEA a lot, so this always is a great solution. But of course, if you don't have an IKEA in your country, Amazon also has these, and yeah, they work perfectly. Another hack I can never live without is having elastic hair bands. The ones that are not too tight, the ones that could go elasticy more. Those flat hair bands, I always buy them in neutral colors like black, brown, and beige, and white. And whenever I love to always roll my sleeves, and some items it stays like this, but some items it rolls down directly. For those items like blazers and jackets, you do this and then you put the hair band and you hide it under one of your rolls, and it's immediately going to keep it up. So also hair bands really help in that regard. Another trick I cannot live without is I always keep pins in my bag. These ones that close, I love them because sometimes, you know, stuff happens. You're sitting somewhere and then the button from the shirt goes loose and you lose it, something. Always having one of these safety pins in my bag is very much appreciated, and I keep them in my bag in a set with different sizes. It's very helpful to always keep and to use. Another hack of mine is to always keep with you the stain pens. Those stain pens are at the supermarket. You can find them, or drugstores. They're very cheap, but very beneficial. I have hooked so many people on them because I'm clumsy, and I love wearing also white. My husband is too. So sometimes something drops on my pants or my shirt. I just stick this pen out and I don't panic anymore. I press on it and in a little bit it starts diluting. If I put it in the washing machine when I'm back home, it's done. And that is one of the best ways I love to take care of my garments and not to panic when I'm going out. Another hack of mine, and this actually helps me wear my expensive bags and shoes, although I live in a very difficult climate and also bad weather with commuting. So not only the climate and the weather is bad, but also the commuting is really wearing your stuff. I have the water repellent spray. We have these in Germany also in the drugstore very cheaply, like you get it for €2. And it's a spray. I spray all the items before I go out. So I keep it near the door. And whenever I'm going out with something, I just simply shake this thing, spray it, get ready, and then I'm wearing it and going out with it. And that really makes sure that it protects the item. I also always keep in my bag those folded bags. I know the folded tote bags. You never know when you're going to go suddenly to buy something, and this always helps. But also, when it rains or it snows, if you're carrying an expensive bag, you can immediately put your leather bag inside these totes. So this is also another hack I really, really love. One more hack, and I have those in so many forms. Whenever I buy a clutch or something, I have them. Let me show you. So for example, when my husband wanted to buy me a gift for our anniversary, I chose this clutch from YSL because it was cheaper than the actual bag with a chain. But my hack is to purchase these inserts. You buy them from Amazon. It's like a felt insert. It has a pocket in it and 2 rivets on the side. And then you purchase with it a chain. And immediately this turns any clutch you have into a crossbody bag. And you can wear the chain several ways. I love this because clutches in most brands or wristlets are much more cheaper than actual bags. And then you can easily carry it as a crossbody bag. It's one of my favorite tips. Buy from Amazon these also chains. They help a lot with bags you already have if they have shorter arms. I always have a set of these whenever I find a good chain with hooks or a leather chain in different color, fun color. I buy them just in case. You never know. Sometimes you want to dress something up, and this is the best way to dress them up. Which brings me to another hack. It's like a mix of beauty hack and a fashion hack at the same time. But do you know how to get a luxury bag for free? We all want to, right? First of all, you have to enroll in the Dior or Chanel Beauty. Why I'm saying that? Because it's one of the best investments I've ever done. I did it by accident with Dior, and I always find myself receiving gifts. I will show you some of the gifts I had. I keep them with my luxury bags because they look luxury, they're really great quality. So last Christmas was when I applied for the Dior Beauty, and I got this pouch or clutch actually came with the long chain already, and it had lipsticks here. And I use this as an evening clutch, which is so pretty with the Dior and also comes with a chain. And since then, every time I purchase from the website of Dior, something comes with it. And this is something I really recommend you. So last year in the summer collection, I was buying my regulars. So the lip oil and some stuff I always love to buy from Dior Beauty, buy them from the online shop. They sent me with it this pouch, which I love. It's a summer pouch and I wear it as a summer clutch when I'm traveling. And this came for me for free. So always be in the lookout of these, and you could get really nice clutches. But what I really love, and the hack related to the chains I was telling you about, is the following. Whenever you get one of these Chanel Beauty, so this was last year's Chanel Beauty pouch. You order the pouch with some products, and look at this pouch, how pretty it is. I ordered some rivets to put on these sides. I saw this hack on TikTok, and then I could attach to it one of my chains and wear it as a crossbody bag. I love it. I've had this already for a year and I haven't used it. So it would be perfect as a small navy Chanel bag. And this year's one I'm in love. It's this white snowy tweed. It has beauty here, but I also saw a video of a guy removing it with tweezers, the beauty, and then it's only writing Chanel. And look at the pretty snowflake, turning these into a bag. And I will show you a chain. As I told you, I'm always buying bag chains from online whenever I see them. I didn't even open this one, but I bought it for these pouches. Look at this. It's a Chanel inspired one, actually. It comes with this ball where you can resize it to make it bigger or to make it shorter. So you can resize the bag length. And I love it because it's so Chanel, but it doesn't have any logo. So it's not like a fake or anything like that, but it's really highly inspired from the Chanel one. And imagine having something like this with this pouch, making it like a bag, like you see here. Love. So I always recommend purchasing those packs from Chanel website, from Dior website. Around Christmas they are available. And actually, another hack, I buy from them gifts for my friends when they have birthdays. Why? Because again, it adds points for me and it's just great. If you haven't seen on TikTok, I shared a gift guide from every luxury brand under 200 euros and under 300 euros. I did one for Dior, I did one for Hermes, and soon this week I will film one for Chanel because it's highly sought after. If you have a brand you want to see that from on TikTok, let me know. I guess so far that's all my tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if one of these tips was new for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.